Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute unicorn puppet.
Wow!
Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing. I start with her head. I draw her body with her legs. I draw her tail. Then I draw a unicorn horn. Excellent! Now I divide her whole body with lines, like this. Finally, I draw small circles around. Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with the color red, like this. Then I use orange. Yellow, then light green. Light blue, purple, and pink. Let's start again with red, orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue. Very good! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video!